What up, blockheads? Aw, I kill switched myself getting on the bike. Wah, wah. Man, it is a beautiful, beautiful day out. Seriously, super nice out right now. I got like an hour to burn. Miss Blockhead is currently at her family's, and just out on the Grom filming a video real quick for the new seat. Man, and having knobby tires, like fields like that, they just look so enticing. You're like, ooh, I could kind of ride through there. I just don't want to get in trouble. Here at Fun Spot USA. Woo! Anyways, if you guys moto vlog, you know, like, it's constantly kind of in your mind to have an episode or something to talk about. But I don't have anything to talk about this time, so I'm not going to talk about anything. It's just going to be a random one. If you guys are new here on this channel, do moto vlogs, have fun on Harleys, Hondas, sport bikes, cruisers, whatever, you name it. Has two wheels. We're trying to have some fun on it. If you guys enjoy that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button and that little bell icon as well, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. We're just gonna go exploring a little bit, go behind some stores and stuff, because that's what you want to do with a Grom. Whenever you ride a Grom, man, it's just like small and easy. You just want to like go explore and not get into trouble. Ooh, kitty! Not get into trouble, but see what's what. Check out those sketchy places. You know what's really funny about that is, dude, what the hell? Is that like a little baby dumpster? That's really funny. A baby dumpster with a baby bike. I'm gonna take a picture. Yeah, it's the thing with the Grom, man. It's like you want to go explore. Now, normal bikes you want to go explore too, but like on my Harley, if I was back here, it'd be loud as hell right now. And, you know, attract attention. So, I don't know, with the Grom, it's just like super easy and just chill. See, this is what happens when you explore. You just find some like cool photo spots, like in front of a bunch of fuse panels. It's awesome. Man, see, this is why I need to take some advice from Photogrammer and start bringing my real camera out. More like DSLR. I almost did, but then I didn't. This Blockhead actually has this really cool small camera. It's a Sony A6000, I think. It's pretty awesome because it's real small and takes great photos. Right turn only. Oh shit, I'm on. This is iDrive. Interesting little shortcut right there. Alright, I'll go on iDrive. Let's go around the Artagon Mall. Dude, traffic. 7:30 on a... What is today? Friday? I didn't know there was a Pollo Tropical over here. The place is delicious. Although, I will say Pollo Tropical tends to piss me off because there's a couple times that we've gone there. They close at 12, which is really cool, right? For them to close so late. So they close pretty late, but there's a couple times where Miss Block and I have gone there, like, oh yeah, Pollo Tropical. We don't ever go there, so it's pretty rare. Alright, the cop's not following me. Cool. Cops love Groms for some reason. Anyways, yeah, we'll go to Pollo Tropical sometimes, man, and they'll be like out of chicken by like 9:30, 10 o'clock. It's like, dude, what the how are you out of chicken? Your name is Pollo Tropical. Like, chicken is in your name. Oh man, that'd be a cool field to ride around in, but lots of no trespassing signs. Dude, it's crazy how deserted this place is. Like, that's a movie theater, and the movie theater is all good and well. But the rest of this, super just super deserted, man. It's crazy. Now, this mall's been closed down a couple times. It's really weird too, because it's in an awesome location, you know, on iDrive, right across from the outlet malls. Great location, but they just can't seem to keep it open. Pretty sure this used to be like the van. Yeah, it's a skate park. Yeah. Oh man, it's crazy. Yeah, this used to be the van skate park. That's a shame, man. I skated there growing up back in the day. It'd be cool to take the Grom in there. Need to find some bolt cutters. I feel like bakerXderek, that's like, this is what he does with his Grom. He goes and he explores. That's, it makes sense now. Dude, just cut that and you'd totally be able to get that shit open. What's funny is the chain is smaller than the lock, so you could cut the chain super easy. Not that I would do that, and not that I'm condoning that, but you know. Super cool skate park, man. Dude, this is creepy. What the shit? Just like random chairs and a table. Dang, the drain is super full. Neutral bitch. Random. Just a couple like random chairs. There's two that are matching, so, and then one has one arm. What are you doing, tourists? So yeah, all super abandoned on this side, and then we'll watch here in just a second. It's gonna be like a bunch of cars for the movie theater. And as of me recording this, it's gonna be packed out. Avengers Infinity War just came out, so there are people like crazy at the movies right now. We went and saw it yesterday. Yeah, we never go to movie premieres just because it's always like, you know, it's too crowded and it's just really not our bag, you know. I'm not like a huge fan of being around a ton of people. See what I tell you though, tons of cars over here. But yeah, we went to the premiere because Raj and Crystal were all about it, and so we were like, all right, cool, why not? So they bought some tickets, and this theater is awesome because it has recliner seats, and basically no matter what seat you get is like a good seat. So we got a couple seats, got all squared up, and it was a good movie. Obviously, I'm not going to say any spoilers for you guys, but it's pretty crazy. Alright, see, this is what I'm talking about with the Grom. Like, I wouldn't ever do this with a Harley or like an R6 or some shit like that, but I just saw this little path over here and I kind of want to go check it out, see what it's all about. So I'm going to. I'm going to try. And it's that easy. I think it's just like a little random side field. Ooh. Yeah, see, the thing is, this road is really close to like a bad part of town, so I guess I shouldn't be a little bitch. If bakerXderek is all in San Bernardino, going up and, oh shit, talking to just a bunch of random crazy people. What am I complaining about? I don't want to get hijacked, but I do have protection. Pew pew. Yeah, this is interesting. I wonder where that ends. See, that's awesome, man. You can just take a quick little detour path and then just be away from that stuff. It's awesome. Golden hour, man. Perfect time to go take photos. Yeah, it looks like it ends up in a lot down there somewhere. Oh shit, man, just random people coming out here dumping their shit. Forward air. It's like a shipping center. And that'd be an awesome spot to like practice some wheelies. Looks like a couple people have been out here doing donuts and shit. Yeah, I need to remember this spot. I'll have to come back. Getting good at whipping that tail out. Oh, that's awesome. I'm sure I'm getting cancer like as we speak. Right? All electrical magnetic waves or something. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just saying some kind of term I've heard before. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get some better suspension for this thing here soon. Dude. Ugh. I would much rather have a bike like to do this shit than a sport bike. 10 times more fun than a CBR 1000 RR. I'm really glad I traded. You guys think I can do like a bank turn? I don't think I can either. We're gonna try. I didn't bust my ass. That's a good start. See? And that's why I own a Grom. I just, man, it's so funny, like, people that are like, I don't understand why you got a Grom, like, you have a bigger bike, you had a faster bike, you know, you had a 1000, and you have a Harley, like, I would never ride that. Dude, come on, man, like, that, it makes you feel like you're out of Orlando, even though I'm dead center in the middle of Orlando. I mean, this is freaking iDrive right there. Those are the prime outlets, or the premium outlets. This is like tourist central USA. And you're able to basically like escape it for a second by having a Grom and getting the hell off the main road, hitting a little trail, going under a freaking power line. Anyways, they're just a lot of fun. Seriously, man, watching bakerXderek, he was a huge influence on deciding to get one of these things. If you guys can't tell, you know, it's like I even hit him up and was like, yo dude, what tires do you have on that thing? And he told me the Maxxis. So that's what I got. Maxxis knobbies. Anyways, random one, I guess. Man, it is seriously a beautiful day. Awesome day for a ride. Even if it's just out hitting some O-Town trails. I need to seriously take this thing to like, what do you call it? Oh man, I forgot what we call it. Like Ocala National Forest. Hit some trails up there. Be awesome. I'll have to get Miss Blockhead some knobbies too. Please don't pull out in front of me, dude. Thank you. Anyways, hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Super random. A lot of fun though, man. If you guys did enjoy it, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads. Anyways, hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you're not, go ride your bike, man. Always puts a smile on my face. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Watch out for these cagers. We'll catch you guys later. Yeah, that thing turned out pretty good. Alright. Deuces.